G'day everyone, today we're going to be making a creamy mustard sauce. This is a perfect sauce if you're making any corned beef dishes. You're going to be needing at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, really just to use what you got in the house, and you're going to be melting that down in a small saucepan on a medium heat. Once that's half melted through, you're going to be needing 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or plain flour, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to be thoroughly mixing that through until it is well incorporated. You're also going to be needing to make sure that you cook this through for at least a minute, so that way it gets rid of that floury taste. Believe me, it's the best thing to do. There's nothing worse than a floury sauce. Once you've done that, you're going to need cups worth of stock or water. I'm using the water that I used to cook in my corned beef and some vegetables, and you're going to do it a quarter cup at a time and keep stirring it through and making sure that it thickens up thoroughly. Once it starts to thicken up, you just keep on adding more water and repeating the process until it's at a quantity that you need. After you've done that, you just want to put in a tablespoon's worth of mustard. Use whatever mustard you've got. Whole grain, French, Dijon, English, whatever you got. Just use that and it will come out spectacularly. You're going to be thoroughly stirring that through for at least a minute or two until it is well incorporated in the sauce. And you're going to also need at least half a teaspoon of cracked pepper. That really does amp up that mustardy flavor. It gives it a bit more extra heat. After you've done that, thoroughly mix it in until it is well incorporated. You're also going to need at least 4 tablespoons of thickening cream, heavy cream for our American crew there, and you're going to thoroughly mix that through until it's all heated up. But that's it. That is how you make a creamy mustard sauce. It is so freaking delicious. I hope that you really enjoy this, and I would suggest also putting a little bit of cracked pepper on top. It really does make it a bit more decorative on the plate, and it adds a little extra. But I really do hope that you enjoy this. Please share it around, as well as like and follow my page, and do tell me if you do make this sauce, because I want to be able to see other people creating this particular sauce, as it is one of my personal favorites. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy.